Model, 67-plate Peugeot Boxer 2.0 BlueHDi 335L3 130, low loader, very clean engine knocking. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 136,311. MOT, the 11th of January 2025. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts and runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. The engine repair and replacing, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 3 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp